Ooh, yes. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. You Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. In today's video, we're taste testing some of Lizzo's favorite snacks. I have to say that I absolutely love Lizzo. She is strong, she is empowering, she's confident, she's an amazing artist, and she's just overall an inspiration. And I'm drawn to people who are just unapologetically themselves. So yeah, I love her. And most importantly, she is plant-based, and we love that here on my channel. My good friend Casey went to one of her concerts in New Orleans, like I want to say 2 years ago, and she said it was absolutely amazing. Like the energy unmatched. I'm very jealous, so yeah, Casey, you next time invite me. Thank you. Lizzo is pretty active on TikTok. She posts tons of food videos, what she eats in a day, recommendations, kind of like eat with her videos. So I picked 5 different snacks that she shared with all of us, and yeah, we're going to taste test them, so let's go. First up, we have naturescereal. If you are on TikTok, I'm sure you have seen this before. So naturescereal is nothing new. This has been around for a while, but I feel like Lizzo made it really popular on TikTok, and that's what we are going to try it today. I'm gonna use blueberries and then a couple raspberries. Don't forget to add pomegranate seeds. Last but not least, coconut water. Okay, you guys, here we go. Not groundbreaking. It is good, you guys, don't get me wrong, but I still prefer to have my fruit with yogurt. I don't know, something doesn't sit right with me. So yeah, that's not it for me, I'm sorry. As a snack, she likes to eat these Paleo Puffs. Girl, they're so good. Lizzo likes to dip these Paleo Puffs in hummus. Which, listen, I love hummus, so yeah, let's try this combination. Woo! Bam. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm using the roasted garlic hummus from Trader Joe's. Woo! I'm excited. Drum roll. I think I love this combination. Oh yeah. Am I surprised, honestly? No. Paleo Puffs, yum. Hummus, yum. Paleo Puffs, dipped in hummus, extra yum. And then I saw that she loves to eat almond butter banana wraps, and that sounds so delicious. Let's make it. It's gonna be such a good snack. Yum. Okay, almond wrap. Yeah, I love it. I can't believe I haven't had this before. This would be so good with strawberries. Another trend Lizzo and pretty much all of us hopped on is ricotta or ricotta toast, however you want to pronounce it. And today we're gonna make it exactly like Lizzo did in her TikTok. She seemed to really like it. So yeah, people say ricotta toast is the new avocado toast. I don't know about that, but it is pretty good. So yeah, let's make ricotta toast a la Lizzo. First up, you need some olive oil, and then pop some cut up cherry tomatoes in the pan. I had some fresh parsley at home, so I decided to use it. I'm gonna use this sourdough bread from Publix, and then this plant-based ricotta from Kite Hill. Let's pack it on. And then I love that Lizzo added arugula. Oh, that looks so good, you guys. I can't. Let's add balsamic glaze. Oh yes. Yum. Delicious. Look at this beauty. I mean, if this doesn't look good, I don't know what does. This is actually my first time having ricotta toast with tomatoes. Let's do it. 10. As expected, fire. And last but not least, you guys, she loves to eat apple slices with peanut butter. It is just a great combination, so it is no wonder that Lizzo loves it, and it is a favorite of mine for years. So if you're on the hunt for a good healthy snack, it's an easy snack on the go or to take with you to work or school. Apples and peanut butter, baby. By the way, if you want to switch it up a little, try having apple slices with cashew butter or almond butter. To be honest, any kind of fruit tastes amazing with any kind of nut butter. You cannot go wrong. Cheers! Ooh. Ooh. Best snack ever. And that's all for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this taste test as much as I did. And if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your week. And make sure you be safe out there. And make sure you do not let anyone cramp your style. Go get it and have an amazing rest of your week. Bye!